Today we're in Skagway, Alaska. Welcome to episode 64 of the vlog from the Ovation of the Seas. This was recorded back in August of 2019, and as it turns out, it was our last cruise before the pandemic hit. Putting this video together in 2021, we're just about to go on the Adventure of the Seas, so we're almost exactly 2 years later, and we're finally about to get back onto a cruise ship, and absolutely can't wait. This was our one and only cruise to Alaska. I'm not sure that we'll ever do this one again. We're mostly Caribbean cruisers, but this one was kind of a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I'm not sure if you heard that right at the beginning, but I mentioned that it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon here. We'd been in Skagway since literally like 7:30 that morning, and we had done the full ATV excursion that took 6 or 7 hours, I don't know how long. And back to the ship, change, quick bite to eat, etc. And now we're off to the helicopter tour of the glacier. So this is the excursion right here. If you're going to do an Alaska cruise, you have to do the glacier helicopter tour. You've got to find some way to do it, because this is just something that is so unique to this and so incredibly amazing. I just can't put into words how awesome this excursion was. I'd never been on a helicopter before. Just the entire thing about it was just amazing. I was looking forward to this the entire time leading up to this cruise, and it did not disappoint. The one thing that was interesting about this is we already had sort of hiking boots on, but no matter what, they make you put on sort of an exterior boot of some sort that goes over any shoes you're wearing, no matter what. Even like a hiking boot, these special boots that they make you wear will go over the top of that, because they have these spikes that are specific to being able to walk around on the ice of the glacier. So very, very cool. It's obviously very cold and windy. So at this point, we're all suited up, ready to go, and just waiting for the helicopters to arrive.
Just a second. Oh, I got it swapped. We'll turn around here in just a second. I'm gonna go down there and unload some people and fuel it up, so I'll just have you stay in your line. And when I'm ready for you, I'll weigh you down. It does get pretty windy though when the helicopter lands, so if you have anything that could potentially fly away, just hold on to it. And especially for you taller people, just watch your heads when you step up and into the helicopter, okay? And I want you bumping into that metal door frame. Alright, and just remember the number you have, because it's the same number you're gonna have on the way back. Any questions for me? Alright, why don't we turn this line around?